Hi guys, welcome back. This is a bit of an unboxing. Just moved the laptop from the last stream we did earlier today. So today I got the new power supply from Corsair. So this is actually delivered from Amazon on Prime. Prime is this is not sponsored. Prime is a good thing. If you buy a lot from Amazon, it's worth paying Prime, which is about £9.99 per month, because a lot of the items I buy you can get on Prime, which only cost you on the post and packaging and things you buy free, zero. So normally without Prime, I normally have to pay postage. So anything between £4.99, £6.99, £10.99, depending on the items. But if you've got Prime itself and you've got quite a few bits you buy, zero postage and packaging, you get discount down. So it's worth paying that. But it's only worth paying that if you're ordering maybe 2 or 3 items per month. Otherwise, if you only order 1 item per month, you might as well just pay standard postage. So make sure if you do go Prime, but at least buy 3 things a month from Amazon to make it worthwhile. So I've got the Corsair, the RM550x power supply, which I normally use on all my UnRaid builds. So here it goes. I bought this as a more of on my UnRaid builds at the moment. I've got Corsair power supplies. So this is an additional one I brought as a spare. You know, UnRaid tends to have quite good warranties on them. I think you get like a 10-year warranty on them. Yeah, 10 years warranties on them you're getting on them. So let's unpack this box first. So they're good for 10 years. Anything goes wrong, they'll sort it out for you. I always tend to go for items that have a long warranty on it, so then at least you know any component in your system or build is guaranteed, so you can get a replacement without paying any additional costs. But I wanted this as a spare item, so that when my power supply goes, the server will go down. Obviously, I can replace this straight out, pack the other one up, do a warranty return on it, and go back in the post. They'll send me a new one out, and then I'll put that to one side and keep this running. So that way I can keep the system up and going, running all the time, having spare. So I've got 3 UnRaid servers here, all running the RM550s, which is ample that I need. Now this is a spare that can sit on the shelf, so I do have a power supply issue. I don't have to wait the next day for one to come in the post, and that means that the server down for the day. I can literally just replace it with this boy here. 10 years guarantee, as I said, so it's fantastic. It does what I need on the box. If your system's not using a lot of power, the fan will not kick in. It keeps it low rate, so there's no sort of extra noise you get from it. But then when you do draw a bit of extra power, the fan will kick in automatically, cooling your power supply, so you get a nice running system. So this is fantastic. It's brilliant. So what do we get in the box when you buy Corsair power supply? I was going to buy a bigger power supply, but 550 is the ample, you know, perfect what I need. Keep getting volume on. Sorry, excuse me. I keep getting volume up on my phone up here sometimes. Yes, so I don't need any more than that unless I was running substantial, massive amounts of disks. Maybe if I was running, I don't know, 12, 13 hard drives, physical hard drives, so they take more power than SSDs do. So if I was running a lot of these drives in the system, then I would look at maybe a much higher pack. I've only gone for the 550, plenty on there. This has got a GPU in it with SSD drive, so it's going to use a lot less power. So I don't need to be like any more than 550. So this is the perfect size, 550 watts. What else do you need? If I was running a full gaming system, then maybe I would require more power, you know. But I'm not using my UnRaid as a gaming system. So get one manual. Why does my volume keep changing up and down? 2 secs, guys. My volume keeps going. Why is it? I'm not on the volume. Why is the volume going up and down? Maybe I've got some sort of hacker playing with my settings. I don't know. So yeah, power supply. It's packaged quite nicely. It comes in a lot of well cared and looked after. So you get your power adapter. You've got cable ties. You've got a nice Corsair bag. It's not leather. It's just a normal polyester bag. And in there is all your cables that you need. As it's a modular power supply, it comes with all your cables you need. So we've got that's the PCI for your GPU. It's twin connectors on the top, so you can run two GPUs off of that one. You've got your Type 4 here. I think it's the CPU one. You've got your normal hard drive power connectors. The trouble with these, you've got, as I want to say, when you buy the power, these are standard cables come with it. So you've got 1, 2, 3 power cables. That's 3 hard drives, 3 on one cable. I think you get 2 of these. Well, actually no, that's the old type. That's the old type we don't use anymore, which is that sort of like type. So that one don't really use. It's this one here. There you go. That's the new type. These SATA drive type. So again, you get 1 cable with 3 connectors on it. So what if you want to run 4 hard drives? You can't power the other one up. But I think there comes with 2 of these. I'm not sure. I'll check in a minute. Normal power, main power for your motherboards. Yeah, and they do come with a second one. So you have a second one. So you can have 6 hard drives in there. But then if you want, how about you want to run 8? Because my system can run 8 drives in there. Or if I had a RAID controller card in there, I could run 8, 9 or 10. So you can buy these custom made, which then you can run 4 on the ends of these, which I have got in that system at the moment. And that's it. That's the cable wise. I only get 1 of these smaller cables, fan headed for a fan or something like that on it as well. My phone is really annoying. It keeps kind of volume control all the time. Weird. Right, put this back in the bag, so I don't need any of those cables. And then the power supply itself comes in its own little bag, as you can see. So no expense spared there. Its own bag. And then when you take it out of that bag, you've got another bag. It comes in as well. And there we go. So there's the power supply. There's not much really to say to it. It's a really nice and neat power supply. It's got a fan in the bottom there. Again, it only kicks in when you're taking a lot of power from the power supply itself. But all my systems, with the amount of hard drives I'm carrying them and the GPUs, it doesn't ever go on. So it doesn't draw a lot of power from here at all. So I think they draw about 124 watts, I think. When I look at the UnRaid power consumptions, about 124 it takes from the power supply, so it's not even hitting the 550 watts itself, which is quite nice. So, but at least I've got a bit of overhead on that, so if I decide I want to add more stuff into it, again installing more hard drives, I've got the power for it, so it's not overpowering itself. Because they come with 10 years, it's going to outweigh that build, because in like 3 years time I'll probably end up building a better CPU, but probably still use these if they're still within warranty as well. So it will carry over with me. But yeah, so there's modulus on here, so you can buy all these cables modded to the size you want. So if you've got a bigger case and you want these extended, you can buy the extension cables to plug into these to extend the cable further, or you can go to a mod company, and there's quite a few on the internet at the moment, to make the cable especially for your power supply in whatever various colours you want, which is really, really good. So yeah, that's it, that's the power supply. Now we can get this little one box up and running, because we now got the GPU cable that was missing on my other one. So yeah, so watch out for the next video on that one. So probably over the weekend, maybe Sunday or Monday evening, we'll be looking at getting this powered up, running some VM on it, and we'll do some testing with the hard drives, as I said in the past videos. Test the RAID out, how it works. We'll pull fuel disks out to see if there's any missing data, to really sort of get to know how UnRaid works, because it works different to an actual RAID card. I had a lot of people commenting already saying RAID is RAID. It's not. UnRaid treats it differently. So we'll show you how that treats it. It's not like a normal RAID card where it raises the drive up, mounts the volumes, and away you go. This does it differently, because on the controller card I have to say to allow RAID, the UnRaid software, to manage the RAID itself, not using it on hardware. So it is a lot different. So I will go through those details on our next update, which I think is part 4 or part 3. See you on the next one. Cheers guys, thanks for subscribing. Hit thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you don't like this video, and don't forget, if you want to be a subscriber, hit that subscribe button right now and the notification button, and I'll see you on my next video. So hopefully we'll do quite a few different live updates. You guys seem to be liking this sort of stuff on live stream, so we'll probably do a few more of those, and I'll get some of my custom videos I made up as well on other things I'm actually doing as well on the side projects and stuff like that. So yeah, so back in the man cave now, filming. See you soon guys, cheers.